Do you want to follow someone on Snapchat? You can add someone on Snapchat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To follow someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you are on Snapchat, swipe right on the camera screen to open the chat list. Now, at the top of the screen, you will see a search icon. Just tap on it. A new screen will appear. Enter the username or name of the person you want to follow. From the search results, select the person you want to follow. You will now see the profile of that specific person. To follow the person, just tap on the Add button. You have now successfully followed the person.